For our Akankyie, we'll be needing our plantain leaf. So I'm taking plantain leaf from the garden. I need 2, so I'll take 1 more. For ingredients for making our Akankyie, we'll be needing our raw plantain. That is the main ingredient. This is a palm oil, rosemary, aniseed, cloves, pepper, ginger, onion, corn flour, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. I'll start blending the rosemary, aniseed, and the cloves. I'll go ahead and add little water to help with the blending. I'll go ahead and add my ginger, go ahead and add our pepper, add our onion, the flavors here are awesome, guys. You can also check my off-farm video and Akankyie video, because this method is the same process we use to make Akankyie off-farm. So check out that video also on the channel, guys. Guys, I'm going to take some of the spices out, because after adding everything and you want it very spicy, you still add more. We start with our raw plantain. I know you have been watching and you have really been supporting me by watching my videos. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family fully. Oh, no, Becca, we see a group of mommy. Say you'll be part of this family. We'll go ahead and add salt. Mix everything together. We'll go ahead and add the corn flour. We'll go ahead and mix everything together. And the corn flour, the amount of corn flour depends on how you want your Akankyie. If you want it very solid, you add more. But if you want it in between, so the consistency always depends on how you want your Akankyie. What's the English name for Akankyie? Guys, comment below. I know the Nigerians call it plantain momo. Well, I don't know the English name for it in Ghana. So if you know the English name for it, please comment below. I'll add a little bit of the corn flour. Just a little bit more. Guys, with the palm oil to enhance the flavor and also the color. And this I'll taste for salt It's perfect. Guys, this is the plantain leaf we got from the garden, and I'm using the plantain leaf to wrap the akankyie. By using the plantain leaf to wrap your akankyie, you need to put your plantain leaf on a flame of fire to make it very soft. Yeah, to make it easy for you to fold your akankyie. That is the reason why I'm using it on the flame of fire. See, the color has changed into really good. When it changes like this, it means that your leaf is ready. It's time to mold our akankyie, guys. You mold it. It's very easy to do. It's not that difficult. So you just mold your akankyie. This one also come. And you're done nicely. You tied it. This is also coming from the plantain tree. So we are tightening it with it. Guys, look. That's it. We are done. So go ahead and leave it here. Now take another leaf. The flavors here are awesome, guys. We're going to add water to it. This amount of water is okay because we only need the vapor to cook our akankyie. And I'll put my colander in it. Like so, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Perfect. And I will arrange my akankyie in it. This. We'll go ahead and cover it up. Guys, let's check on our akankyie. Guys, our akankyie is ready. So I'll put off the fire and cover it again and leave it to cool down. Because when you eat akankyie, when it's straight from the fire, it really doesn't taste good. So always have to let it rest a little bit before you eat it. Guys, our akankyie is ready. I'll go ahead and remove let's check on. Guys, look. Looking so delicious. Whoa. Guys, our akankyie is ready. We call it akankyie, but if you know the English name for akankyie, please comment below. But I know Nigerians also call it wrapped plantain momoi. Maybe in Ghana there will be another name for akankyie. So if you know another name for akankyie, please comment below. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Leave me a comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Do adios. Kiss kiss.